Hello, Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today, let's get into part 2, the review of Bagend on the Hill. Let's get right into this because there's lots to go through here. So let's show you some close-ups of this big bad boy here. As you can see, here is the tree. Just magnificent. All the detail that they had done on this, just phenomenal. I'll show you all the way around here first of the tree, and then we'll go down. We'll work our way top to bottom. And so cool with the branches and the tree underneath. Really, really cool. I really love that. So that's the tree, which I really like. And then we'll go to the top here. You can see the chimneys on top. Really cool. Work yourself down. You can see all the detail in this hobbit hole, like on Bagend, like all the green mossy kind of stuff on it. Just phenomenal. Like, it's so cool. And then here we go into the windows. Absolutely love this. So cool. Oh, look at all the detail in this. And then you can see the main door. All the way to the side. You can see the path leading up to the right. And then the main entrance, where you see the sign at the beginning of the movie, leading up into the main entrance there. So cool. Absolute. And then all the brush and the pumpkin with wheelbarrow, all these brush and shrubs, and oh my lord. And then his lamp and his gardens and everything. And more shrubbery on the bottom. Flowers. This is a real beautiful environment. I am so glad I picked this up. This is really cool. And then all the way to the left here. And then it also leads right to the back, which you never see in the movie, but his back door, which is kind of cool. And then more flowers and stuff there. So I love how, and then, oh yeah, and then look on top here. They put flowers and stuff right on top, which I think is a great touch on this as well. Like right underneath the tree, they put flowers and stuff. So cool. And then on the main entrance, you can see here, oh, there's a door here, which you can see there. And I'll show you with this key what it does. You put it in, and it magnetizes, and it closes the door, which I like really much. That's just really cool feature. I absolutely love this environment. This is by far my favorite one to own to date now. See, and then more wheelbarrows and just knickknacks and everything that he owns, Bilbo owns. You know, there's pumpkins and apples and whatnot on here. Such a cool piece. Absolutely love this. That is really cool. So as you can see here, it's a big piece. I think it's like 2 feet long. But I really like the feature that they put on here at the side of the back of his bag end with the door and everything. So cool. Absolutely love this. I will not say this enough. I just love this piece. It is so cool. Now look at all the detail in the windows and stuff, like all the brickwork and whatnot. And then even the path leading up. Look at all the detail on the path coming in from the main entrance here, leading up into the house. His bench where he sits and smokes his pipe and everything. Very, very cool. This is so awesome. Thank you, Weta, for making this. And this is for the 20th anniversary Bagend on the Hill. Absolutely love this. Then you can see on the back of this, you can see it's through a small lightning USB cable. And it goes from the small lightning USB to like this standard one that you plug in, as you can see here, like that, to go into the wall. And I may have to get a longer one to where I want to put it. So yeah, again, just to show you an overview of this. Love it. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Bagend on the Hill. Comment down below what you guys thought of it. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video.